Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can download your Wells Fargo account statement. Let's get started. So firstly, start by launching your browser. Inside the browser, search for wellsfargo.com and then simply tap on their official link. You can even try using the app, but I recommend going to the website for this process. Now after that, simply tap on sign on option and then log in with your user ID and password. Once signed in, navigate to Statement tab. From there, click on Statement and Document and then choose the account for which you want the statement. Then select the desired time period. Choose the document type, usually PDF, and then click Download. Your Wells Fargo statement will be downloaded as a PDF. That's it. You have successfully downloaded your Wells Fargo account statement. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.